Okay, people, I'm gonna be putting my Black Bear Smokey onto Webkinz. So, can you just wait a minute? Okay. And just so you know, Dogs is my username for Webkinz. Okay, now we're gonna go to the adoption center. And then we're gonna have his adoption. And here's his code. Yep, Littlekins. Black Bear. Here he is. And Webkinz Cares card. Okay, that's just our dog. Hey! Okay, I'm gonna enter his name in here. Hi, Sophie. That was some care cards all down, but I'll get it. Okay. Oopsies, forgot to turn on this. Oopsie. Smokey. And he is a boy. And then next. Okay, you can't see this. Just put it down. Mr. Smokey. Hi. Peter, sorry, hi. Just ignore that, that's my dad with the vacuum.
I'll wipe it off. I'll wipe it first off. What are you watching? The new TLC program. Okay, I just need...
Okay, here he is. Smokey. His birthday is March 7th. He's a Littlekins Black Bear, and it says, "Hi, I'm Smokey. I know we're gonna be best friends forever. I am curious, a great artist, and brave. I think collecting toys is really awesome. I am pals with the Chocolate Lab. Want to know a secret? I love pretzels, and I always wanted a beach sand castle." Okay. Here. and I'm gonna make a video of me making his room. Okay. Bye!